Good morning, guys. Welcome to the London session, live session. It's 15th of September, Monday. We're gonna trade Nasdaq Gold UK 100. We're gonna start with the news from today. If can somebody let me know how is the music, how you can, do you hear me good as well, if there's any problems? So there is no red folders, as you can see. So today we don't have any major news that we need to be aware of. Something else that I had to do before, but I haven't, maybe, is to show the FTMO account and where we're standing. So this account, I've been trading this account only on live sessions, and we're making this challenge basically going from 0 to 10% to passing the account. So at the moment we're standing here at 8.83. we haven't used this account for a long time. Last trade was last Monday, I think, 10th of September. Yeah. So we're standing at 8.83, and today potentially we're gonna pass the account. Yeah, the absolute is 54,400, so we need $600 to pass this account, or percent 0.2. So it's a Monday, so we have to be careful as well, but we need only one decent trade. Even 1-to-1 it's won't be bad. Okay, since we saw that, let's jump on the charts and mark our key areas as we always do. We're gonna start with the previous day high and low, and we're very close to the all-time high on gold, so we're gonna mark all-time high first. There we go. And then we need Friday previous day high, Friday previous day low, and we can see that actually we swapped the previous day low with the Asian session, and you see the reaction we had after that. We had pretty decent reaction after the swap of the previous day low. So we have Asian lows here just below the previous day low, and we have the highs right here. Then in the Asian session, that was very good trade here. If we go to 1 minute, we can definitely see unicorn structure. Probably here will be my entry, right here, with stop loss down here. Yeah, pretty good entry. So we have previous day low, Asian highs, Asian lows, and all-time high. Let me save that because it's been saved. Save as all-time high. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at Nasdaq as well, despite I don't think we're gonna trade it today. Previous day high, because it's London session and the spread is a bit bigger, so I prefer to trade it during the New York session. We're in very strong uptrend, so I don't know if we take the previous day highs we can and we keep on trading higher and higher, we can get into a trade, to be honest. Asian highs, we're very close to taking the Asian highs. Okay, we have the highs, the lows. And previous day high is basically all-time high as well. Yeah, previous day high is all-time high as well, so we need to remember that. And let's mark FTSE. Asian lows. Yeah, it looks like we're in the highest point of the day as well. We're very close to the all-time high. We almost took it. ATH. We almost swept previous day low, but we couldn't. I think there is a big chance of us going back to previous day low. Friday make a very big candle, and we have the previous day highs. We have very good targets here. Okay, let's see how it looks on 1 hour and on 4 hours. So we can see on 4 hours we have this fair value gap right here. We're inside the fair value gap at the moment. And on 1 hour we have those two fair value gaps. Oh. So it's very important to see how this hour gonna react. Are we gonna close above, or are we gonna close inside? But this is how it looks on 1 hour and 4 hours. We need to be aware all the time of the big time frame. It's literally 2 minutes to the market open, so if anybody have any questions, feel free. We have to move the Asian highs all the time. How are you doing, guys? Keep making new highs, and this is the last minute before the market open. Oh wow, what a candle. You can see the volume. see the volume. So yeah, 1 hour looks like this. We're gonna tap this fair value gap that we did actually. I'm gonna turn off the DR indicator, we don't need it right now. We'll start marking our first orb, the small orb, which we're gonna use as a map. There we go. This is the daily time frame candle. So basically we want to be in the trades here and here. We want to be the wick of the candle. That's why I turned it on. Or continuations. We want to be trade here for this push here and the wick after that, maybe for short. Okay, we have the first 5 minutes. This is the first orb. There we go. Yeah, we have the orb everywhere. Let me see how Nasdaq it looks like. Okay. Okay. Is there any SMT with the Asian highs? No. No SMT during the Asian session. Now I would go for a short because you can see here we might break below and we're in the top part of the wick, so we can catch this move here. But I wanted to see SMT with those highs. But we don't have one now. So I'm not really interested in shorts there. Maybe we have CRT here, despite this candle being very small. There is plenty of time. Okay, on gold we're gonna break above. Let's see how we're gonna react from this fair value gap. Okay, if we keep going down on UK100, I have a good feeling we can swipe those Asian lows and previous day lows, and we can see a good price action for longs. Okay, gold have candle closing above. Is this the only orb that have a breakout? No, we have one on UK 100. I like how it looks like on 1 hour and 4 hours. If we go short here, the only thing I don't like is risk to reward ratio. Do something like this. Nine two. Okay, we can try this one. This is exactly where we enter. Now the idea behind this trade is we have breakout from below. We have very good targets, Asian lows and previous day low. On 1 hour it looks very good. respecting fair value gaps. On 4 hour it looks very good, respecting again fair value gaps. 1 hour candle flipped very good, 4 hour candle flipped very good. Something else I noticed, this is German index, which again, it's, if you look for SMT, it should be with the German index. And here we can see that the German index had taken those London highs. You see where we are on FTSE. We haven't taken anything with these London highs and Asian highs, while we managed to take the previous day highs on the German index. And if we go to German index here, and maybe we put on 1 hour or daily candle even, you'll see it better. So there we go, this is the previous day high. And if we go back on 5 minutes, we can see that with the open at 8 o'clock we swept the previous day high. But we're far away from doing that on FTSE. So we just had our big orb, let's see how this will go. Yes, Nasdaq is keep going down. So on Nasdaq we have the big orb as well, and on gold, of course, if we look at 5-minute chart, we're gonna have it as well. Now what I don't like here is that we enter into this consolidation thing. Somehow we need to break out of this box. We don't want to be in accumulation during our trade, to be honest. Let's just see how those lows look like on 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we need just 1 hour. We need 1 hour. So the Asian lows are very good target. And I'm not gonna lie, this looks very promising, guys. Especially if we manage to break out on the let me see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, especially if we manage to break out on a 15-minute orb, this will be great. Okay, we're running at profit. Right here will be our break even. Let's see what the other assets are doing. Gold is trying to break below. Nasdaq turnaround. UK 100 turnaround. Okay, we don't want to see, basically our stop loss is on the top of those highs, so we don't want to see this candle flipping. I'm gonna share this screen so you can see how exactly the trade looks like. Yeah, it seems we enter in accumulation, which is not ideal. Once again, we don't want to be in accumulation during our trade. We need to see a couple candles on 1 minute closing below. As you can see, even here we're in trade. This is the same trade we took. Let's see what DAX is doing. Yeah, DAX is recovering as well, which is not what we want to see. Don't like how DAX is recovering. Gold is still struggling. Nasdaq made a big U-turn here. Come on, fair value girl, come on, let's see a close below. Do you mean the 5-minute candle on FTSE? We're in a very heavy range. This box I made, we're still in here. Yeah, I want to see candle closing below as well on 5 minutes. But on 1 minute we're just playing around the borders. And I don't really like that. And we're in accumulation at the moment. Let's see, DAX. DAX is giving us mixed signals now. Nasdaq, gold, oh my days, all of them start just playing around. They just start playing around. This was a very dodgy move from Nasdaq. Those two candles. Just 2 minutes before closing a big one. The thing that I like is 1 hour candle looks very good, 4 hour candles look very good. There's 20 seconds for candle closure and I don't think we'll make it. Ten seconds, come on. Give that push. No. Once again, guys, why we're in this trade? So we're on UK 100 FTSE. Short position. Oh, this is a good push. So we took Asian highs with the market open and we start creating structure, aiming this liquidity below Asian lows and previous day lows, which I think is a very good target. So we have Asian sweep, very good target below, and we have this SMT with German index DAX, and on the big time frame on 1 minute we can see how respectful it has been for the 4-hour time frame, with this huge fair value gap retracing just to the 50% of it, tapping. And for 1 hour time frame you can see 2 fair value gaps being respected, and those lows here as a target, this is like the minimum we can get out of it. Now downsides, we have a couple of downsides here, and as you can see from 8:11 till now, this is 20 minutes, we've been into very big accumulation. So I don't like that, because after the accumulation there could be manipulation, which might be one more time sweeping those highs and then going for the Asian lows and previous day lows, or manipulation could be with us because it's not too far away, taking the Asian highs, previous day low, and then going even higher. So the manipulation can be with us here. Now DAX, mixed feelings. It took the Asian previous day highs, where is our SMT as well. It started going down, recovered, and now it started going down again, and now it's recovering again, which is not ideal. But this is the idea of the trade, basically. Yeah, we're gonna monitor it very closely. We might get out earlier if it starts flipping those candles on the bigger time frame. Now gold. It looks like it's gonna close above. Nasdaq. Dodge moves from the downside up to the upside and all over. Dodge moves. So if you're in a trade in Nasdaq at the moment, pretty bad price action. Okay, 1 more minute and we're gonna have another candle fighting with the lower border. If it keeps accumulating like this, I'm not gonna be happy, because next candle it could be manipulation below, collecting the last lows. We have accumulation, manipulation below, and then flipping the next hour candle with the manipulation below, and distribution to the top. Gold is closing very strong. Yeah, we have bullish close on gold with inverted fair value gap. Gold doesn't look bad at all. Nasdaq is on the line. we can say FTSE close below ish. Okay, it's 8:36. We're gonna take a decision after this 5-minute candle closing. We're gonna take a decision. So basically Nasdaq just took the previous day high. Gold is making very interesting structure. And we're almost break even. We were very close to break even. I really like gold. Like when this 5-minute candle close, it will make a new fair value gap, align with inverted fair value gap, with breaker and very good structure, with candle closing above, and with good target Asian highs, previous day high, all-time high, you name it. So this is something I keep close eye on. Yeah, we are halfway. We were very close to break even. Now we are halfway. Gold has just entered the new fair value gap. Here we have very beautiful CRT. So you can see how the new hour ranged, manipulate and start distributing. So on a pullback, it's a good idea to join this trade. Now I think on UK 500 we can say that we have candle closing on the 5th minute orb as well, very good, below, and we're very close to the break-even point. Nasdaq is just scandalous. What is this? Okay, gold might not give us a chance to enter, but it looks like very good for longs. It looks very good. Okay, we need one more push. There we go. There we go. That's it. Okay, basically we're on break even on FTSE. And okay, we came to break even and return a big candle, and we're very close to passing the account as well. We're halfway passing the account. Yeah, gold is not giving a chance to enter the trade. We're just on 0.5 R at the moment. Literally, we need 300 pounds, guys. Dollars. Whatever happened, we're in very good situation now. We are at 0.5 R. We are at break even. We can only pass our account and we can't lose anything, to be honest. We're in the last 15 minutes of this hour. Some buy volume start kicking in. we scrap the idea on UK 100, which it doesn't look too bad now. 130 quid in profit. There is good trade at gold. It doesn't give us a good entry. We're gonna force this entry, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we're gonna force it. We're gonna close above this inverted fair value gap. Gap I'm looking. We're in a very good situation. The problem here on gold is where should be our stop loss. Oof, this will take us out. Yeah, it took us out with one candle. Minus 9 quid. A big candle. Well, what can I tell you? Where is it? Yeah, very big candle, very big candle. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yeah, it could be a buy now from here. Yeah, we start flipping this candle as well. We don't want to be in this trade anymore. German DAX, it's in a big range. Nasdaq is in a big range. Okay, we're good. We're out of this. It's good. It's not our day yet. It's not. But gold looks good, not gonna lie. What do you think, guys, about gold? I wanted to see a big retracement. I would enter definitely if we went back here. But even this was a good trade. It's on break even already. Right here is the break even. have good target, and we didn't need to hold until 1.98. We had to hold till 1.10, 1.2, let's say 1.15, something like this. So we were on halfway. Nasdaq is so dodgy. This will return. It will go back into the orb. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're still into the 5-minute orb. We took the previous day highs and all-time high. Maybe now it's gonna close below. Okay, you can see what FTSE is doing. So I'm very happy we're not in this trade. So it happened what I was thinking it's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. So we enter into accumulation here. It manipulated right here, and now we start distribution to the upside. We still don't have CRT because we're in the same hour. As you can see, it flipped this to the green, but we're into the same hour. So what I expect next hour is to grab those lows and then go for the highs. I'll be angry if it goes even lower for the previous day low where was our take profit, but that's life. Let's see how gold look like on 1 hour and 4 hours. Yeah, classic CRT here on gold. And I'm gonna show you how and why. So this is the hour low right here. It took it, accumulation, manipulation, and there you go, the distribution up to the high. But it didn't give us a good entry. It didn't give us a good entry. I was watching this 4 hour candle, it looks scandalous. It almost flipped. 1 hour candle, it's beautiful. And we are in this 1 hour fair value gap, which holds perfectly. Probably we had to be in this trade, but that's that. As well, we have orb closing above, we have change of character, and all the good stuff for the structure. If we would enter this trade, we're very close to passing the account actually. You won't believe what Nasdaq did. It came back inside the range of the orb, which is madness. 1 hour we can't break out of the orb, and we swept the previous day high. Like, we just put a wick up, and look how many wicks we have. First wick back in, touch the upper side, down, wick down to the upper side, wick up with previous day high swept all the way down, wick down. I don't know what's next. Okay, if 1 hour candle close like this, we have CRT, and the target should be those lows here. Let me just see again with what are those lows. We set these lows, 5 minutes. It's not too far away. There's fair value gap here. Yeah, Nasdaq is just scandalous this morning. So many fake outs. One more time, we did good. We're not in this trade anymore. Break even was the way to go. But we did good with the go trade. How much we needed? Yeah, $600. Literally, we were passing the account today. Oh well. What can you do? Yeah, our stop loss, I think it was right here. No, where's the green line? Yeah, it was right here. It still doesn't look that bad, but the price structure it's bullish now. We had the accumulation, manipulation, and this is the distribution, so we have target as well. There we go. Gold just hit 1.15, which was just enough for us. Even 1.10 was enough. And the CRT, there we go, the low, the swap of the low, and this beautiful move. It just played out. There we go, the manipulation last candle, break of structure. It didn't give us a good entry, that's the reality. Whoa, Nasdaq gonna close below 15 seconds. It needs miracle to go back. We're gonna have candle closer at 10 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. So 1 hour after the orb, we got our candle closure. I don't understand even how it's possible. Nasdaq. Thank you is mad. Look at this. It closed below, and with the next candle, literally it made 1 hour with one candle. Yeah, exactly 1 hour with one candle. From the orb. CRT, this was the lows that had to be targeted, and it just took them. Whoa, what is this? What is this candle? What on earth is that? Okay, you can UK 100 made some small move as well. It's back probably around the price where we enter. Yes, exactly where we enter. Okay, pardon me. With one candle, it made 3R. And by the look of it, it's gonna take the Asian lows, isn't it? 3.5 with one candle. Let me see Forex Factory if there's some news. No, nothing just came out. No. Last news 13 minutes ago, just a big drop out of nowhere. What a mad move, really. That's a mad move. Okay. I think that's that for this morning session. I'm gonna be on live session as well later on, but this will be in my other channel. I have a Bulgarian channel, which is not gonna be interesting for you guys, but yeah, I'm gonna be live there probably. A bit unfortunate. Look at this candle. What is this? Guys, look at Nasdaq. What about is that? Look at this accumulation. We took the previous day high, we closed one candle below the orb, and the next candle, it literally made 4.7. The next 5-minute candle made 4.7 move. Okay, a bit unfortunate today, but that's that. Okay guys, thank you being with me. If you can drop a like, this will be great. And yeah, I'll keep you updated as well on X if I manage to pass the account during the other live, which is gonna be into the Bulgarian group, which is not gonna be interesting for you again, but yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated. Right guys, see ya.